Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change the floor cleaning pattern in your ROBOROCK QRevo Edge. At first, here, enter your vacuum cleaner. Then, tap this gear icon in the top right corner and tap floor cleaning setting. Cleaning pattern, and now here you have Smart. In full cleaning or selection room cleaning, the robot will clean the floor along the relatively longer side of each room to optimize cleaning efficiency. Clean along floor direction. In full cleaning of or selective room cleaning, the robot will clean the floor along its direction to minimize scraping against the floor seams. Set the floor material to function to work. The robot can only clean in one direction. Mixed pattern cleaning. The robot moves in direction perpendicular into the last cleaning improve cleaning performance. Cleanups will take longer. It's up to you which will you choose, but I prefer Smart. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.